Jungle Scout Review. What is Jungle Scout? Jungle Scout is a comprehensive tool designed for Amazon sellers to optimize their businesses. It provides valuable insights and data-driven analytics to help sellers find profitable products, understand market trends, track competitors, and manage their Amazon inventory effectively. Go now to Jungle Scout, link in video description. Jungle Scout is suitable for various users within the realm of Amazon selling. Amazon sellers, whether you're just starting out or an experienced seller, Jungle Scout can assist you in finding profitable products, analyzing market demand, and optimizing your listings for better visibility and sales. E-commerce entrepreneurs, individuals looking to enter the e-commerce space through Amazon can leverage Jungle Scout to conduct market research, identify niche opportunities, and make informed decisions about product selection and sourcing. Product researchers, and analysts can utilize Jungle Scout's data to study market trends, consumer preferences, and competitive landscapes to gain insights for product development and marketing strategies. Benefits of Jungle Scout include product research. Jungle Scout offers powerful tools to quickly find profitable product opportunities on Amazon by analyzing sales data, demand, competition, and other key metrics. Market analysis. Users can gain deep insights into Amazon markets, including trends, keywords, and consumer behavior, to make informed decisions about product selection and market entry strategies. Competitor tracking. Jungle Scout allows sellers to monitor their competitors' performance, pricing strategies, and product launches to stay ahead in the market. Keyword research. With its keyword research tools, Jungle Scout helps sellers optimize their product listings for better visibility and higher rankings on Amazon search results. Inventory management. Jungle Scout provides features to manage inventory levels, forecast demand, and avoid stockouts or overstock situations. Jungle Scout offers different pricing plans tailored to the needs of various users, including individual sellers, agencies, and enterprises. The basic plan starts from $29 a month. Pricing may vary based on features and subscription duration. Visit Jungle Scout for more information and promotions, link in video description. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Have a nice day.